If you want to start washing your own cars, then all you need is this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my cars. Nice hot day. Thought I'd get them sparkly clean and then myself afterwards. But I just picked up this. It's pretty awesome. It's kind of all you need. It's the WeatherTech Ready to Wash system. Now you can buy these components separately, but if you buy it in the system, it's actually quite a bit cheaper. And if you've never washed your car before and you're wondering, hey, what do I need? What should I get? What are the supplies I need? Then worry no more. Just buy this. So let's unbox it and see what we get. All right, so the box comes just like this, and you'll see here what we get is this big bucket. So this is pretty cool because this is actually nicer than anything I've actually ever had to do my own washing. You can see it says WeatherTech Ready to Wash system right there. We get this top here. This is actually a seat, so you can see how rounded it is. That will cap your bucket, and you will be able to sit on it as you're rolling around. Now, this is one of these big industrial buckets, but it's not going to just sit there because they include this. This is a base here. It's all molded plastic. You can see it screws in there so you can tighten that sucker in. It's not going to move. And then you have some wheels on the bottom, and that is going to allow you to sit on this, wash your car, and roll around, which is pretty awesome. So that bucket will go right in there just like that, which is pretty cool. So already it's tickling my fancy for fun, cool stuff. WeatherTech Wash Mitt. So this is one of your big fuzzy mitts for getting all soapy and getting that on the car. You can see we have a little rinse bucket here, so you can throw your mitt in there and it won't fall all the way to the bottom, so you won't lose it, and it also won't get dirty with all the particulate that falls to the bottom. We also get in here, looks like a bottle of Gentle Car Shampoo, which is probably actually nicer than stuff I use on my own head. Here is a silicone water blade. So if you want to dry off your car, this is all you need. And these things work awesome. I just love them. You just kind of wipe the water off. And I feel like you always think you're going to leave like streaks or film, but they never do. These things are amazing. I don't know why towels still exist. And then what we have here is this little clear box, and this is your WeatherTech soaker. So this is like a chamois. That's what we always called them as a kid, I think. And they're like a super absorbent towel. Lift all the water off. And then if we look in the bucket here, I also want to show you that we get this little grate here, and it's in there upside down just for shipping. But you can see it has legs here. And now if I put it down here like that, what we can do is when I rinse off my mitt in here, all that particulate, dirt, grime, bugs, whatever, will go down to the bottom. And then when I drop stuff in here, my mitt, I don't have to worry about going into the particulate, into the dirt, and picking that up again. So it's going to be nice. It's going to let the heavy stuff fall to the bottom and not get soaked up by my wash mitt, which is pretty cool. Let's get everything put together here and start washing the cars and see if we can make them look presentable. Now we just start wiping down this dirty car. And of course, I'm pretty wet right now, but one of the best things about this is sitting on my little rolling bucket here and being able to move around to all the cars, get the sides. I'm not straining my back, giving myself any back problems. I'm just moving around on my little wheelie wash bucket. Pretty cool. Hey, I don't know. I feel like even if you don't wash your cars, you should just pick one of these up because it's pretty fun. Mitt can just go right in there, and now we hose down the car, rinse the car here. I just want to show you what this squeegee will do here. Okay, so look at that. That is perfectly dry. You can see it's wet over here, perfectly dry. Wet right there, perfectly dry. I can't believe how well these things work. I mean, it's almost pretty much the only drying aid you need. So what you want to do here is do a quick pass with this first, and then you want to get that chamois out and wipe down anything that you didn't get with the squeegee, because obviously I'm being a little careless here, but you know, there'll just be some areas where you get some water still. So now you take your soaker here, the soaker rag, which is like chamois, and then I just kind of do a final pass here, picking up anywhere that there's water droplets, so I don't have any water spots. And that, oh man, this thing, I can feel how kind of foamy and light it is, but man, just picks up everything else here. There's no water left here at all. In fact, there's no wax or anything too. I probably should do something about that. But all right, all cleaned up here. All right, so I tell you what, this WeatherTech all-in-one system has everything you need to get washing your car in your own driveway here. I think this looks awesome. It was a pretty fun little project that you can do with just about anyone. And I tell you what, that little wheelie bucket is probably my favorite part, but you can use that for other stuff too when you're working on anything. Maybe carry it around with you in your yard when you're doing yard work as well. But I tell you what, adding on the tire gloss too was a pretty good choice on my part because that looks smoking hot. Yeah, this too. I think that looks pretty dang good. So hey, if you want to pick up the WeatherTech car washing system, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.